A small dusty village nestled at the foot of a rugged hill was home to Giri, a potter known for his skillful hands and humble heart. Life had never been kind to Giri, yet his spirit shined brighter than the sun on the clay he molded every day. Giri's world revolved around his tiny workshop and his family, two sons, two daughters, and his wife Sita, who managed their modest household with the same dedication Giri poured into his pots. Despite his hard work, Giri earned barely enough to feed his family. Yet, he harbored a dream to educate his children so they could escape the cycle of poverty that had bound him. Every day, Giri would rise before dawn to gather clay from the river bank. His children shared his struggles. With patience, he transformed lumps of mud into exotic pots, bowls, and water jugs, which he sold at the village market. Years passed, and Giri's pots became symbol of determination. Villagers admired his craftsmanship, and his reputation grew. His sacrifices bore fruit as elder son earned a scholarship, younger son pursued engineering, and two daughters became teachers. The siblings ensured their parents no longer had to struggle. They renovated the family home, bought Giri a new kiln, and helped Sita live comfortably. One evening, as the family gathered around a crackling fire, Giri held a beautifully crafted pot. This pot, he said, is not just clay and fire. It is dreams, hard work, and love, just like your success. The children looked at their father with tears in their eyes, knowing they owed everything to his sacrifice. In time, Giri's story inspired the entire village. His pots became cherished symbols of resilience and hope, a reminder that dreams could be molded into reality with perseverance and love.